Your YouTube app might be working fine, but if the language isn't right, everything feels off. Most users leave it as it is, just because they don't know where to change it. But switching the language is super easy and takes only a few steps. Let's change it right now. So, now open up the YouTube app, then tap on your profile below. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then tap General. Look for App Language or Language. Tap on it. It will redirect you to the YouTube app settings page on your iPhone. Now look at the bottom. Here you can see the language option. Tap on it. Here you'll see a list of available languages. Select the language you prefer. Then back to the YouTube app. Refresh it and the language has changed. So folks, this is how you can change your YouTube app easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.